My name's Ken Onion. I'm a custom knife maker, a designer and inventor. And in my opinion, the WorkSharp knife sharpener is the most universal, most versatile, and best personal sharpening system money can buy.
The WorkSharp Knife and Tool Sharpener Ken Onion Edition with adjustable angle sharpening guide, variable speed, and premium flexible abrasive belts is the ultimate solution to sharpen every knife you own, quickly and easily. Every sportsman, outdoorsman, and knife user knows the importance of a sharp edge. At home, in the field, or wherever you carry a blade, you need it to be sharp. But you knew that. Aren't you ready for a faster, more precise sharpener and truly sharp blades? WorkSharp and Ken Onion have teamed up to deliver the ultimate sharpening solution.
I started out making custom knives, handmade knives. I designed knives for Kershaw for 10 years. And now I'm designing with Columbia River Knife and Tool, zero tolerance. And I'm really excited about working with Derek's WorkSharp on this knife sharpener. I mean, how can I be a knife maker and a designer for all the big factories and yet not offer a tool to maintain those knives?
Derek's, makers of WorkSharp and Drill Doctor, has been a family-owned and sharpening-focused manufacturing company since 1973. Each tool is engineered, hand-built, and quality checked right here in our facility in Ashland, Oregon.
This is one of the finest companies I've ever had the privilege of working with, and a company that absolutely gets it.
The Ken Onion Edition makes it fast and easy to achieve professional results.
It works. It'll sharpen everything from a lawnmower blade to a scalpel. It will sharpen everything that needs to be sharpened.
The Ken Onion Edition features an adjustable angle sharpening guide, variable speed motor, and premium flexible abrasive belts. Just place the knife in the sharpening guide, power on, and pull through.
Well, different knives are going to require different angles. You know, you can change the angles of those knives to your needs based on the type of knife that you're sharpening.
The sharpening guide can be adjusted to sharpen any angle between 15 and 30 degrees. The grinding speed can also be adjusted. High speeds with a coarse belt will shape or repair a blade, while low speed and a fine belt will hone the edge.
These are Norton Norax belts. These are the same belts that I use when I'm making custom knives. The same abrasives that I use on my big machines. They're an abrasive that is stacked up so the abrasive itself breaks down and exposes new sharp edges. These belts will last until you've used all the abrasive off of them and you're essentially down to the cotton backing.
Flexible belts create a strong, sharp, convex edge on any blade without overheating the steel.
A convex edge is kind of like the edge that you would find on an axe. A knife that is sharpened with a convex will last much longer and be much tougher than a traditional flat ground sharpened edge.
Derek's guarantees this sharpener will deliver the best performance and value for your hard-earned dollar. We stand behind our products and take care of our customers.
Take it from me, guys. If you want a knife sharpener that lives up to the hype, this is the one to get. It's fast, easy, and it works every time.